Now that you have enrolled in classes or added yourself to a waitlist, it's time to pay for fees. Students have 7 calendar days to pay for their fees starting from their day of enrollment. Enrollment fees includes your tuition per unit, your student activity fee, health service fee, any material lab fees that your classes may have, and the optional parking permit. Remember that the week before school starts, all enrollment fees must be paid the Friday prior to the semester beginning, or else your account will be placed on hold. For those of you that are eligible for a Board of Governors fee waiver, your fee waiver covers only the enrollment fees and the student activity fee. You are responsible for the health service fee, any material lab fees, and your optional parking permit. In case you forget, just remember that all this information is included in your schedule of classes. Students have 3 options to pay for their fees. The first option is to mail a payment to Admissions and Records addressed to Cerritos College. The second option is to come in person to pay your fees with Admissions and Records. But if you want to avoid those long lines, just remember that you can pay online using My Cerritos.
In order to pay for your fees, you must have already enrolled into your classes. You will need to log into My Cerritos. Once you have logged into your own account, you will see on the right-hand side, under Quick Links, that you can purchase a parking permit here and/or pay for fees. Please note that purchasing your parking permit is a separate transaction and is considered an optional fee. To continue paying for your fees, click on Pay Fees. This account activity page will let you view the transaction of your account. If you are a financial aid recipient, this page can also be used once the semester begins to view your financial aid refund information. You will notice that this particular student has a BOG waiver, which will waive and pay for students' enrollment fee and Cerritos College student activity fee, known as CCSA. The BOG waiver does not cover the mandatory health fee, parking, or any lab fees a course may have. This particular student owes only their health fee. Please click on Make a Payment. The Specify Amount page allows you to enter in the amount you wish to pay. You must pay the total amount you owe before your deadline. Click on Pay Charges, and the system will automatically fill in your total amount payment. And press Next. In this credit card details page, you will enter your credit card information as it appears on your card. So select credit card type and enter your card. Now enter your phone number. And email address. Click on Edit Address. Enter your address. The billing address you specify must match your credit card company's records. Press OK and the system will take you back to the credit card details page. Review your information carefully and click Next to continue. The Confirm Payment section allows you to view all your information entered. Verify all your information. If you should need to change any details, please do so at this time by clicking the appropriate link. Click on the Submit button to complete the process. The results of your transaction will be viewed on this page. A green checkmark with a message reading, "Your payment has been accepted," should appear, letting you know that you have now successfully paid for your fees.
The Financial Aid Office wants every student to know about the financial aid resources, programs, and services available to them here at Cerritos College. As you can see, there are many different types of financial aid available. Financial aid consists of grants, the Board of Governors Fee Waiver Program, scholarships, work study, and loans. If you qualify, financial aid can help you pay your fees, help you with books and supplies, help you with transportation and living expenses. It is definitely worth it to apply and see if you qualify. The best way to see if you qualify is to go through the 4-step application process. The financial aid process is easier than ever. There are 4 main steps to the financial aid application process. First, you want to apply by submitting a free application for federal student aid at www.fafsa.gov. Be sure to list our school code 001161. When you apply, be sure to have income information like taxes or W-2s and have Social Security numbers available. If you are dependent, you will need the same information for your parents. We offer FAFSA workshops from January to May to assist students in applying. Second, you want to submit any required forms to the Financial Aid Office. You will receive a missing information letter, or you can review your to-do list on My Cerritos. The to-do list lists all of the required forms needed to complete your financial aid file. You can download forms from our website, and you can submit these forms by fax, mail, Dropbox, or in person here at the Financial Aid Office. Once all of the missing documents have been received, the Financial Aid Office will review and determine your eligibility. This can take some time, and that's why it is so important for you to apply early. For the third step, you will receive a financial aid award letter detailing what financial aid you may qualify for. Please read the financial aid award letter and let us know if you have any questions. You may also review your awards online on My Cerritos. It is important to note that you must meet our satisfactory academic progress standards in order to receive these awards. To stay in good standing with financial aid, students need to maintain a cumulative 2.0 grade point average and maintain at least a cumulative 70% completion rate. All units attempted are included in the completion rate calculation. To calculate the completion rate, we divide the cumulative units completed by the cumulative units attempted. In addition, the Financial Aid Office requires students to meet with a counselor and create a financial aid educational plan once a student attempts a certain maximum number of units. If a student is pursuing an associate's degree or transfer program, you must submit a financial aid educational plan at 60 attempted units. If a student is pursuing a certificate program, you must submit a financial aid educational plan at 30 attempted units. The purpose of these standards is to ensure that students are progressing towards their educational goals. If students do not meet these standards, they may lose their eligibility for financial aid. Appeals are accepted for extenuating circumstances. The final step of the process is the 4th step. Once awarded, you will receive a Cerritos Falcon card in the mail. You can activate your Cerritos Falcon card online at www.cerritosfalconcard.com. Any grants, scholarships, and/or loans that you are eligible for will be dispersed to the card. Remember, do not throw this card away. It will be used as long as you are here at Cerritos College. Now that you know the 4 steps to applying for financial aid here at Cerritos College, I want to mention some important dates. You must apply for financial aid each year. The FAFSA becomes available every January. Another important deadline to mention is the Cal Grant deadline, which is March 2nd. You must submit a FAFSA and a Cal Grant GPA verification to apply. Go to www.calgrants.org for more information. The best time to do step 1, submitting your FAFSA, is January or February. You can even submit your FAFSA based on estimated information if tax returns have not been filed yet. You can always go back and make a correction later once you have filed. March and April is the best time to submit the required documents that I mentioned in step 2. Our early application period is January through April 30th. If you submit your FAFSA and submit all required forms during the early application period, you should expect to receive an award letter in July and expect to receive financial aid when school starts in August. You definitely want to avoid the lines in July and August and get everything completed early. We want students to succeed here at Cerritos College, and the Financial Aid Office can help you do that. The Financial Aid Office can help you with any questions that you have. We understand how important it is to apply for financial aid, and we are here to help you through that process. Check our website to view our office hours, get important information, and view online financial aid TV video clips. You can submit general questions through the Contact Us form on our website or through email. On My Cerritos, you can view your to-do lists, view your awards, and view your refund information. We also have a quarterly newsletter called the Newsflash, which has all of our latest announcements and important information. You can view the current or past newsletters on our website. We thank you and look forward to assisting you.